So what is a transitive property? This is a property that you're going to use a lot in geometry and also mathematics like algebra and calculus. So this is very important to understand, and I'm going to explain it to you as clearly and as simply as I can. So let's start with some examples. Let's say we have real numbers using variables, let's say A, B, C. So let's say if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then we can conclude that A is also equal to C. So that's exactly what the transitive property states. So you can see here, if we're saying that A is equal to B and B is equal to C, and we already know that A is equal to B, therefore A must also equal to C. So the first thing must be equal or should be equal to the last thing. So this is an example using real numbers. Now, since we're focusing on geometry in this class, we can use this also for line segments. Let's say we have AB, and let's say we have CD and EF. Well, so if we have those line segments, we could do the same thing. Let's say we say AB is equal to CD and CD is equal to EF. Then AB must be equal to EF. So this is an example using line segments. We can also do the same thing for angles. So I won't go into that example because it's basically the same thing. It's the first thing is equal to the third thing. So A is equal to B, B is equal to C, therefore A is equal to C. And in this last example with line segments, AB is also equal to EF. So this is transferred to this, or is equal to that. So it transits. That's another way you can look at it. AB transits to EF, or is equal to EF. So that's an example of transitive property. We're going to be using it a lot in geometry. So review this video, try to retain it because it's going to be important. If you like the video, please put a like and subscribe and leave any comments if you have any questions.